get right on down to the skit. A baby is brought into a world of pits, and if it could've talked that soon in a delivery room, it would've asked the nurse for a hit. The reason for this, the mother is a jerk. Excuse me, junkie, which brought the work of the old into a new life. What a way, but this what a way has been a way of today. Anyway, push couldn't shove me to understand a path to a basic, cause Schumann should have raced it in a first wave. Cause second wave from believers, and believers will walk to it, then even talk to it and say, you want the body, you want my soul. Nah, can't have none of that. Tell 'em what to say, Mace.